During our recent station visits, we heard many different opinions and had many discussions on what our members want to see in the next tentative agreement. We took those conversations as well as input from your emails in order to form the basis of this survey. TWU 555 members are paramount to the success of Southwest Airlines, and we will continue to impress that upon the company as we seek a contract that rewards the hard work you put in every day. Now, this survey is open to members who have completed probation as of November 9th. This survey is more comprehensive than our previous surveys and features both multiple choice questions and open-ended questions which require your written input. Our objective is to find out exactly what you want so we can fight accurately for you at the negotiating table. The members have spoken. Now's the time to reinforce what you want to see in the next tentative agreement. Please take the entire survey. Your participation in this is crucial, and high participation rates among the members will give us more leverage at the table. So take the survey and encourage others to do so as well.